Hi, in this video we are going to learn the Telugu meanings of sentences using he can plus verb. He means atadu, itadu, ayana or iyana. If the person is far, you can use the word atadu or ayana. If the person is near, you can use the word itadu or iyana. The words ayana and iyana are more polite words. Let us see example sentences. He can achieve means atadu sadhinchagaladu or itadu sadhinchagaladu or ayana sadhinchagalaru or iyana sadhinchagalaru. Advise means salaha ichu. He can advise means atadu salaha ivvagaladu. To save time, I am not going to read the sentences with itadu, ayana, iyana, but depends on context, you can make sentences. I will give you examples only with the word atadu. To listen the pronunciation of root verbs, please watch my previous lesson. He can answer means atadu samadhanam ivvagaladu. He can argue means atadu vadinchagaladu. He can arrange means atadu ఏర్పాటు చేయగలడు. He can ask means atadu అడగగలడు. He can assist means atadu సహాయపడగలడు. He can attempt means atadu ప్రయత్నించగలడు. He can begin means atadu ప్రారంభించగలడు. He can believe means atadu నమ్మగలడు. He can bring means atadu తేగలడు or you can also say atadu తీసుకుని రాగలడు. He can buy means atadu కొనగలడు. He can climb means atadu ఎక్కగలడు. He can communicate means atadu తెలియజేయగలడు. He can complain means atadu ఫిర్యాదు చేయగలడు. He can complete means atadu పూర్తి చేయగలడు. He can continue means atadu కొనసాగించగలడు. He can control means atadu అదుపులో ఉంచగలడు. He can decorate means atadu అలంకరించగలడు. He can describe means atadu వర్ణించగలడు. He can develop means atadu అభివృద్ధి చేయగలడు. He can discuss means atadu చర్చించగలడు. He can earn means atadu సంపాదించగలడు. He can escape means atadu తప్పించుకొనగలడు. He can express means atadu వెల్లడించగలడు. He can fight means atadu పోరాడగలడు. He can fill means atadu నింపగలడు. He can guess means atadu ఊహించగలడు. He can help means atadu సహాయం చేయగలడు. He can learn means atadu నేర్చుకొనగలడు. He can participate means atadu పాల్గొనగలడు. He can provide means atadu అందజేయగలడు. He can push means atadu నెట్టగలడు. He can read means atadu చదవగలడు. He can reduce means atadu తగ్గించగలడు. He can reject means అతడు నిరాకరించగలడు. He can remind means అతడు జ్ఞాపకం చేయగలడు. He can remove means అతడు తొలగించగలడు. He can reply means అతడు జవాబు ఇవ్వగలడు. He can save means అతడు కాపాడగలడు. He can say means అతడు చెప్పగలడు. He can steal means అతడు దొంగిలించగలడు. He can talk means అతడు మాట్లాడగలడు. He can think means అతడు ఆలోచించగలడు. He can throw means అతడు విసరగలడు. He can translate means అతడు అనువదించగలడు. He can trust means అతడు నమ్మగలడు. He can try means అతడు ప్రయత్నించగలడు. Or you can also say అతడు ప్రయత్నం చేయగలడు. He can work means అతడు పని చేయగలడు. He can understand means అతడు అర్థం చేసుకొనగలడు.